Nikurekete gututhuka gicanjama kinene barabara-ini ya Thika Road around Ruiru Bridge muthenya wa umuthi riria gutanyitwo gukorwo na maandamano manene muno ma nane maria a Kenya maikarite metereire kuona uria guguthie muthenya wa umuthi. Will it happen kana guguthie atia? But security has already been heightened in Nairobi and its surroundings. No ona kuria uguo, there is a tragic incident that has happened. Undu watiga aingi makiyumiria na kuremwo kuhitha marakara mao umatongoretio ni Senator Karen Nyamu urakora agiukirira undu uyu na njira nene muno. Ona nginya Inoro presenter Jeff Kuria othe magitigo makiyuria, was it really necessary? Couldn't the matter have been solved in a different way? Tondu he mutwarithia umwe wa ngari wirikanite gukorwo wa kuna mundu wa nduthi na gucungireria gikuo giake. He said to have died on the sport. Na thutha ucio atwarithia a nduthi moihuru ni marakara macoka gucina ngari yake, and it's alleged that mundu uyu wacungireria mutino uyu wacoka gucinirwo ngari ni kura ekwendaga kura, na nikio giatuma andu aya nduthi makorwo magicina ngari yake maihuru ni marakara ni kuona ati he was trying to evade. And live photos from the scene of the accident ni ironania uria ngari iyo ya muda mwaki na ona nginya a Kenya makirorera mategwitikia. Na niho Jeff Kuria akorwo akigira nenda-ini yake and share the story akiuga mtu wa gari amegonga mse wa boda akatoroka mbio, sasa nao wanaboda wakachoma gari pale Ruiru kwa bridge. Na thutha ucio Karen Nyamu aihuru ni marakara akorwo akiuria mbona mtu atoroke na ni accident si intentional? Where is your humanity? Though I don't condone this lawlessness by bodabodas either. Karen Nyamu agikiuria niki gitumi kia mundu kwigeria kura yet yuma accident kwenda ekwenda it was not intentional. No oho athe na mbere kuga ona andu a nduthi ona matinakorwo magika wega kumudia ngari iyo mwaki. It could have been solved in a better way, tondu now it is a double tragedy with no solution. The bodaboda guy is no more and the owner of the vehicle na akiru ndari na ngari. Na now from there a Kenya ona magikiuria what next, ni atia guguthie na mbere? How will this matter be solved? Ariguo kwahana on Thika Road this morning muthenya uyu wa nane maandamano. Na ndugakiriganirwo gu subscribe for the latest and trending.